For the fans from Nepal, Rabindra Dann!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. Two men, one belt. Nepal's Rabindra Dann has thunder in both of his hands, but Chungrang Koreng has the belt with 100% fight finishes. He started his life as a peaceweight laborer, found true love in MMA, and he's always been fighting international opponents.
And his opponent, the Indian Rhino,
Come on, Shrikant. Come on, go.
Koreng!
Go, sir.
Let's give it up for the reigning, defending MFN Bantamweight champion. From being absolutely nobody to the most dominant force in Indian MMA, MFN's Bantamweight champion, Chungrang Koreng is here.
Go for
It'll all come down to who goes first
Lovely,
in
sir.
this
Good.
fight.
He trains at Warriors Cove MMA, and there's been a lot of heat between these two camps, between Soma MMA and the Warriors Cove. There's been a
If I say stop, please stop. If you want to touch now, God bless.
Here we go, main event of the evening. Champion Chungrang Koreng will defend his belt against Rabindra Dann. This is a fight that's been waiting to happen. A lot of trash talk has gone back and forth between these two men. And finally, we're a few moments away from Mark Goddard making this fight official. Here we go, round number one. Dann in the white trunks, champ in the black and gold. A lot of questions are going to be answered here, my friend.
again a story of opposite stances. Oh, Chungrang charges in.
You know, it's interesting, in the fight against Muhammad Farad, we saw Farad get a fair amount of success on his feet earlier on. I mean, before Chungrang decided to take him down and Donkey Kong punch him. But
Well, I've studied both these guys, and they absolutely have a mirrored life story and a mirrored skill set. It's like Chungrang versus Chungrang or Rabindra versus Rabindra. These guys are so evenly matched that it's going to be so tough to decide. Oh man,
nice entry by Chungrang Koreng, comes over with the right hand, and good reversal by Rabindra Dann. He knew this was coming. He was
Two
trained
racks.
for
Two
it.
racks.
But what remains to be seen is the strength. His corner tells me that he's got a great strength. Oh, straight into mount.
Rabindra's gone.
He's got the mount here, and look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Chungrang Koreng, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots.
man.
A lot of shots. Rabindra Dann is teeing off on Chungrang Koreng. Chungrang doing a good job defending
Can we
this.
get his face?
But there's only so much he can do.
Try to give me
Rabindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin
Oh,
on
man.
Chungrang Koreng, though.
Actually, 9
Look at that, the awareness. He's got a hold of that leg.
राकेश जी
The right leg
फटा
of
हुआ थोपड़ा
Rabindra
मिलेगा
Dann.
मेरे को
Oh,
भी अच्छा
Look at
लगेगा
that again, trying to turn it around, but Rabindra Dann with superior positioning, landing those shots to the side of the head, controlling his posture.
well, that's exactly the same
Eight racks.
Thing that Chungrang normally does.
And he's been doing it in the last 4 fights against Khan.
Oh, look at the welt that's formed on the right-hand side of Chungrang's face. Man, he's taken a lot of shots.
Chungrang looks rocked.
Oh, no, Chungrang
Right
looks a
hand
little
by
hurt
Rabindra.
still. He's still a little hurt because Rabindra Dann landed at least 20 or 30 big shots, and props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Chungrang Koreng being Chungrang Koreng because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting outclassed
He's flattened him out in front of his corner, and now big shots
Prasad
here. Big shots.
प्रसाद जरूर
Chungrang Koreng
8 racks,
is
yeah.
in
Thank
trouble
you. Thank you,
early
Naram,
on
sir.
in this round. It's just the first round. He's
8.
taken so much
Thoda
punishment.
Prasad
And
Garu
that's
tight.
what we said. I talked
Slightly
about
tight,
it.
Prasad Garu.
Wrestlers like Chungrang Koreng have
Nice.
not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dann is having his way with him because the amount of
man.
punishment
You
he's
know,
taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now.
Wonder,
Back
super,
punches.
wonderful.
Referee Mark Goddard.
Rabindra's team actually
Amit,
manifested this. They
Amit.
made a rap video wherein Rabindra is knocking out Chungrang
It's not
Koreng.
over yet. It's not over yet. He's still
Lovely.
in it, and but
Thoda
Changran
Rex
Koran has
देखना,
taken
please,
so
Adrian.
much damage that Ravindra Dutt he's holding on to the right hand, and he's trying to get up, but Ravindra Dutt is trying to choke him out. I don't know what he's trying to do. The desperation move here from
Can
Changran
do,
Koran,
can
very
do.
smart, because he was almost finished.
It's been for Rabindra Dhan.
My God, dominant is an understatement, man.
He's known as Dhan shot for a reason. Oh, Changran gets it.
That reversal.
It's
Return fire from the champion. This fight is far from over, my friend. I mean, you never know. It's still,
You never know.
It's the amount of action that's happened in the first minute, in the first 3.5 minutes, and he's trying his best to drag him down. Oh, no, but you know what? It's part of the sport. Sometimes you use it to your advantage.
Changran fighting back now in
Changran,
the same manner as Rabindra did.
Changran, though, what a heart of a champion. He took a pounding.
Goes in for the double leg.
He's battered and busted up, but now he gets good defense, good hips from Ravindra Dutt. And man, the right hand side of Changran's
Changran
face is busted up. Good trip from Ravindra. Oh, reversal!
Let's scramble.
Man,
Oh,
again, Ravindra Dutt again. And this is, you know,
stand
this
by
is
eight.
what I mean. Changran Koran is so tough. But Ravindra Dutt is boring.
we are yet to see a knockout tonight, and this could be it.
Man.
Both these guys are swinging for the fences. Oh,
The damage that Changran Koran has taken so far, and the bombs that Ravindra Dutt is throwing at him.
Rabindra looks
Venkat's nice.
Oh, beautiful! Got him with the left coming in, and Changran sloppy, trying to land a big overhand right on him.
Don't swing wide.
And his corner smartly says, "Don't swing wild."
What a beautiful performance in
I mean-
round number 1 by Rabindra Dhan.
Fans on
What
three
a
coming
round
in.
and what a way to start off the championship fight. Mate, this is the damage. This is the damage quotient now.
Yeah.
Because he's not sprightly. You can see he's
I'll
flat-footed
give you
right
a better
now.
shot.
And he's not moving as well. I mean, you never know. It's too early to tell. This is the championship fight. And Ravindra Dutt is ready for 5 rounds, but it's the amount of damage that Changran took in the first round was something else, man. You can see that he's shaking off that leg with one kick.
Durgesh ji, आपका side
He's
से
trying
player
to
है,
wade
उसका
in with
पूरा
some
tight
punches, but
मिलेगा.
Ravindra Dutt sees it
Face
coming.
shots.
Dutt now for a takedown of his own in his own corner. Changran looking for submission.
8 ವರ ಮುಡಿಮ ಪಾರೆ. Venkat was nice. ನಡುಲ ವರ. They're in between.
Trying to lock his hands underneath and look for a choke. Oh, he might have.
Oh, no,
You can't
yeah.
really see here.
Venkat, give me the face, Venkat.
You can see he's trying to squeeze onto his neck.
Line.
And Ravindra Dutt, though, he's almost passed into side control. Almost.
Well, if Changran loses tonight,
And there you go. And again, he's holding onto an arm here. He was trying to look for a Kimura.
Durgesh bhai.
And he's now in a worse,
Come to Ali, no?
much more dominant
6 good
position.
difference.
This is a weird position for Changran Koran because he can't really do a lot with that arm there, trapped. Big shots, and here it goes. We continue. And he's in a bad space. 3 minutes, 40 seconds to go, and he's not in his corner.
well, if Changran Koran loses tonight, he'll be the first Indian to lose his MFN title.
Man, it's just something. He's
Quiet. Don't talk to me.
Oh, big
Aha.
slip from Dutt, and Changran Koran capitalizes on this position. Oh man, Dutt slipped over the top. Here we go.
Lays
Dutt
it.
now reverses it. But Changran Koran back on with that pressure. Don't ever count him out of a fight. This is a tough, grueling fight. We knew this was going to be a war. But Ravindra Dutt certainly getting the better of Changran Koran so far. His corner is screaming something called UP style. I don't know what that means yet.
Or
I need to ask him.
maybe it's the Yuki style because Yuki's in his corner.
Oh, they're referring.
We've got his teammate Yuki in his corner.
Yeah, it's Yuki style. I thought UP style, like Uttar Pradesh. That makes much more sense. But again, Ravindra Dutt again in a good position. Oh, big elbows. This is a bad spot. Very bad spot for Changran Koran.
Very nice.
Changran Koran
Very
trying
nice.
to change position. Man, the heart of the champion is something to admire because he's trying so hard. He's trying so hard to get control of the situation.
Four pola.
Changran Koren taking a breather here.
Tracks ಮಾತ್ರ ಶಿವಾದ.
A little sneaky, Ravindra Dutt. Tried to
ಹೌದು
get
ಅಂಬಾರೆ.
a switch here.
4 pola ಅಂಬ.
Here we go. Changran Koren though looking to get a better position.
ನೀ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೈಚಿ ಪಾತ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್
Oh, big shot.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Ravindra moving his head very well though. Gets back to his feet.
Changran yet to do any damage to Ravindra.
राकेश भाई
Very nice by Changran Koren. Reverses that position and now starts a barrage of his own strikes.
Starts pounding.
That's the Donkey Kong punches. Ravindra Dutt though. Oh, reverses position.
Oh, man.
Oh,
Doesn't go in his favor.
bad position for Changran Koren. And will it be a matter of time? It's less than a minute.
लाइन थोड़ा लूज हो सकता है राकेश भाई.
Flattened him out. He's in a bad way. He might look for a
राकेश भाई
medical
लाइन
now.
थोड़ा लूज हो सकता है.
It's like Changran Koren getting a taste of his own medicine.
I mean, again, he
Exactly the
slipped.
same manner that he fights in.
He came up. He lost position there, and now Changran back on top.
He's got
It's
his
so
arms
back
stuck.
and forth. Oh, he's looking for a dash choke there. He's got his arm underneath. He's locked it on the bicep. Has he locked it on the bicep yet? There you go.
Oh.
He's got that.
Oh,
He's got a front
oh,
choke.
oh,
He might have it. He's got a dash choke.
Oh,
10 seconds.
This could be it.
10 seconds.
This could be
Can
it.
he survive for 10 seconds?
Oh, man.
Just 10
Five
seconds.
pola.
He's got a little bit more. I think he's okay.
Oh,
No,
saved
he's
by the
okay.
bell.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by
man.
the bell. Let's
Man.
go.
Okay,
Round number
Siva.
3, ladies and gentlemen. This is the main event, and it's going to decide who
Block.
walks home.
It just matters now who has more in the gas tank, because Changran normally, who is so strong and who's got such a good gas tank, he's taken so many shots. The way he's moving is weird. I mean, he's
He's
still
a little bit slow for sure. I mean, a little bit is an understatement. He's slow for sure.
I mean, you can see he's gassed. You can see the reversal that happened there. It was seemed academic here.
Five or four.
And the way
Five
he
better
escaped,
because it was
Ravindra
clean
just
that time.
backed up and pulled out. I'm surprised Ravindra Dutt let him up. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one. But man, what a chin on Changran Koren. He's still in it. But there's only so many shots that the human skull can take. Another big one. Another big hand. Ravindra Dutt opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt.
He's hurt.
He's hurt. He's out.
This could be
He
it.
is out. No. We have a new champion. Ravindra Dutt has pulled off the upset.
could
And the
be
Soma team is going
This could be the
crazy for
biggest
me.
upset in the history of
We
Indian
talked about
MMA.
it. I talked about it. I said that this.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goldart called the stop of this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World